friends, welcome back to Uttrashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to make a yummy potato pancake using leftover colacnnon or Irish mashed potato. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Leftover colacnnon or Irish mashed potato. Watch our suggested video on how to make colacnnon. Cilantro. All-purpose flour. You can substitute with quinoa flour to make gluten-free potato pancakes. Scallions. Salt and pepper to taste. Oil or butter for shallow frying. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients and mix well using hands. Make balls and form into patties. Repeat until all patties are formed. Heat a pan and add butter. Once butter melted, add the prepared patties. Shallow fry for 2 to 3 minutes until both sides are fried golden brown. Pancakes are cooked perfectly. Transfer to serving dish and serve warm with your favorite sauce. Some sauces that pairs well with the potato pancakes are horseradish cream, sour cream, and ketchup. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make it. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon on our next video. Bye!